Thanks so much for joining us, everyone. Well, since we got off the air at 5:30 to now here at 6 o'clock, the rumbles and rain that were pouring down outside here at my house have slowed up. Jim, how about you?
Yeah, same outside my window as well. It's kind of loud out there at 5 o'clock, but still flash flood warnings are now in effect for parts of Lafayette Parish. Let's check in with meteorologist Daniel Phillips over in the Weather Lab. Hey, Daniel.
Yeah, flash flood warning coming up here until about 8:45 this evening, and that was from this big round of rainfall that worked its way across the area. 1 to 6 inches worth of rain over a very short amount of time, and what you're going to see is running up along the bayous, the creeks, some of the riverways going to be running on the higher side, and then you're going to get those low-lying roadways that are going to take on a little bit of water. There is some good news though, and that's the heaviest stuff has pushed its way out. You've still got a little bit of activity that's sitting out over through the Youngsville area that's trying to push its way into this warning. So we'll watch that as we go through the next half hour, but looking a lot less energetic. And as we go through the rest of the night, you're going to see things continue to wind down because we're going to be losing the heating. We're going to be losing some of the energy that these storms can watch. Still a little bit of rainfall out there, though. The heaviest stuff is now sitting out the other side of the basin. So it's well outside of Breaux Bridge. You do have some activity up along the I-10 corridor and pushing its way out over towards Baton Rouge. You've had some nasty storms up along the North Shore as well, with heavy rainfall now pushing into South Lafayette Parish. That will take you down out over towards Youngsville. Youngsville getting ready to see some heavier rain. A little bit of the moderate downpours down through 167. These seem to be moving, though, and then you're not getting a whole lot of development back behind it. We'll watch this little bit that's trying to get going just westwards of about Abbeville. You still have some pretty intense rainfall for Jeanerette stretching down towards Franklin. That will be just north of about Morgan City. Little isolated activity getting going back behind that as well. As I mentioned, we're going to see these showers start to wind down. We've got another round of that coming up for tomorrow. That will continue into the weekend. I'll look at that forecast coming up here in just a bit.